Our dishwashers can get dishes so clean, you can see your next culinary adventure in them. With a single press of a button, your last dinner party disappears. The Pro Wash cycle automatically senses the soil level on your dishes and selects the best cycle. That means zero guesswork, and that your dishes will shine at your next get-together. Clean water creates clean dishes. Using breakthrough maintenance-free filter technology, our clean water wash system continuously washes the water. This results in better performance under the heaviest loads. Now, the water is spotless before it makes your dishes clean. Dirty dishes have no place to hide with the dynamic wash arm. It's 9 wash arms in one, and its unique design directly sprays water everywhere in the dishwasher, providing more than 3 times the coverage. Now you can put plates in the corner with confidence. The advanced PerfectDry system completes the cycle with dishes so dry, they're ready for your next creation. Our industry-first system delivers the best drying performance using a fan that circulates the air from a recessed heating element without extending the length of the cycle. Now you can go from the dishwasher to the table. What comes out of our dishwashers? A blank canvas for your next party, get-together, or gathering. This is how Kitchenaid cleans.
When your passion for making makes lots of dirty dishes, Kitchenaid 3-rack dishwashers help you master the mess. The Free Flex 3rd rack fits 6-inch glasses, mugs, bowls, and cooking tools, and is the only 3rd rack with 2 rotating wash jets. The middle rack adjusts up or down for large items, and a full-height lower rack fits dishes in a variety of shapes and sizes. The advanced clean water wash system uses microfiltration to remove food particles and circulate clean water to dishes in all 3 racks. The Pro Wash cycle automatically adapts wash time and water temperature for tough messes or lighter loads. When your tools are ready to go, you're ready for your next cooking adventure.
Samsung presents Intensive Wash Dishwasher, perfect for Indian kitchen.